Today, I'm going to talk about Samsung AI, which blow everyone mind, a new crazy artificial intelligence experience for mobile devices that was launched with the Galaxy S24 series. Samsung AI has many features that enhance communication, productivity, and creativity, and I'm going to show you some of them in action. First, let's talk about Circle to Search. This feature lets you use S Pen or your finger to circle items on the screen and get Google search results. For example, if I see a product that I like on Instagram, I can just circle it and get information about it, such as price, reviews, and where to buy it. This is very convenient and saves me time from typing or copying and pasting the product name. Next, let's look at Generative Edit. This feature lets you edit photos and videos with AI, such as relocating objects, filling in empty spaces, removing reflections and shadows, and more. For example, if I take a selfie and I don't like the background, I can just tap on it and the AI will replace it with something else, like a beach or a cityscape. Or, if I want to remove an unwanted person or object from my photo, I can just select it and the AI will erase it and fill in the gap with the surrounding pixels. This is very impressive and gives me more creative control over my photos and videos. Another feature that I really like is Live Translate. This feature lets you get audio and text translations in real time during phone calls or messages, powered by Google Translate. For example, if I want to call my friend who speaks Spanish, I can just dial his number and the AI will translate what I say into Spanish and what he says into English. Or, if I receive a message in another language, I can just tap on it and the AI will translate it for me. This is very useful and helps me communicate with people from different countries and cultures. For example,
Hola, esta llamada se está traduciendo y subtitular de forma simultánea.
Hello? Can I make a reservation for tomorrow at 7 p.m.?
Hola, ¿puedo hacer una reserva para mañana a las 7 de la noche?
Por supuesto. ¿Para cuántas personas?
Of course. For how many people?
Table for 2, please.
Mesa para dos, por favor.
¿A nombre de quién?
Under whose name?
Harrison.
Harrison.
Gracias. Nos vemos mañana a las 7 de la tarde.
Thank you. See you tomorrow at 7 p.m.
one more feature that I want to show you is Transcript Assist. This feature lets you get live captions and summaries for your notes, videos, and voice recordings with AI formatting and highlighting. For example, if I record a lecture or a meeting, I can just play it back and the AI will generate a transcript for me with the key points and action items highlighted. Or, if I write a note, I can just tap on it and the AI will create a summary for me with the main idea and the important details. This is very helpful and helps me organize and review my information. The last feature that I'm going to talk about is Chat Assist. This feature lets you get tone suggestions and generative texts for your messages, emails, and social media posts using Samsung Keyboard and AI. For example, if I want to write a polite message to my boss, I can just type "Hi" and the AI will suggest some possible ways to continue, such as "I hope you are doing well" or "Thank you for your feedback." Or, if I want to write a catchy caption for my photo, I can just tap on it and the AI will generate some options for me, such as "Living my best life" or "Feeling fabulous." This is very fun and helps me express myself better. Samsung AI is designed to simplify your life by seamlessly integrating within the Galaxy ecosystem. It also works locally on your device to preserve your privacy. You can learn more about Samsung AI and its features on Samsung's website. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to AI Tools Corner for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching and see you next time.